Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have a clear transcript or plan to create one. This saves time. Once uploaded, go to YouTube Studio, select Subtitles, and set the correct video language. Make sure to click Add and choose whether to upload a file or use autosync. If you upload, pick SRT or VTT. These preserve timing. You'll start the timing process immediately, so prepare to adjust timestamps once the file is in place. Now you refine the text and timing so the captions match speech. Use autosync for a quick alignment, but manually adjust where words overlap or read too fast. Once done, split captions into readable chunks. Aim for 1 or 2 short lines and avoid cutting mid-phrase. Make sure to play, pause, and nudge timestamps frame by frame. This improves comprehension. Also check speaker labels and punctuation to help viewers follow tone and meaning. Finish by previewing captions in the player to confirm readability and sync. Toggle CC to see real-time results. Once satisfied, either publish captions directly or export the SRT/VTT for backup and reuse. Make sure to check mobile display and burn-in options if needed. If captions drift or autosync produced errors, recreate using manual timestamps or upload a clean transcript. This usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.